Donald Trump is having the best week ever. And today really capped it off. But so far, he totally obliterated the Iran nuclear process, just blew it up to completely, all gone, not coming back. He also went to Europe and got everyone to pay up their NATO dues. Well, everyone except Spain, but they're working on that one. And of course, he called out Caitlin Collins to her face on TV, on CNN. But today, the 27th, was the big one. The Supreme Court issued a 6-3 ruling in Trump versus CASA, which curbs the power of lower courts to issue universal or nationwide injunctions that block presidential policies. This one was targeting one specifically. This is the executive order on birthright citizenship. Justice Amy Coney Barrett, who a lot of people aren't so happy with right now, are much happier with her today. She wrote the majority opinion, held the broad sweeps that exceed traditional legal authority for Trump are okay, sending enforcement decisions back to individual district courts. Now, it's not quite okay, but it's not a blanket ruling that everybody gets out of it. It can be done by individual states, but not by a full nation just because they say so. Now, Trump and future administrators can basically exploit this weakness in the key legal barriers. The nationwide injunctions, once used to stall executive orders en masse, will now be restricted, potentially allowing more of Trump's policy targets right now and other ones to get passed in the future. Trump, of course, pushing immigration, sanctuary cities, transgender issues specifically. Those won't have the big injunctions they have now because they have to go by a smaller state-by-state sort of basis. That doesn't mean the states won't sue him. That just means it can't be blocked altogether universally. Critics are arguing that the decision weakens judicial oversight. In the minority decision, Justice Sotomayor warned that it undermines constitutional rights, especially for immigrants' families born on U.S. soil, because this is about getting rid of birthright citizenship. Others say the shift may create legal patchworks, one where courts allow one policy and another court does not, leaving nationwide citizens in limbo pending on the class action lawsuits, making it so that one universal suit can't cast because somebody else ruled against it. Beyond the birthright citizenship issue, which is a big one, the ruling marks a new judicial posture in general. Greater deference to executive actions and less capacity for courts to impose sweeping halts. This does make the third branch, the third leg of the stool that is supposed to be checks and balances, a little less checky, a lot less bouncy as of today. Lower courts ordered to reconsider the injunctions right now narrowly. They impact how ripple across further litigation may happen, and the complexity of fragmented rulings can loom large going forward. This obviously boosts executive flexibility and let Trump-era policies go big time, more smoothly through the courts. It also dilutes the judicial checks. I already said that, and it risks what could be an uneven application of federal rules. In the end, the court has affirmed that its shape, the conservative majority affirming executive power, is the shape of the courts for right now, but not without sparking any new procedural headaches in civil rights concerns. More questions will come of this, and will come fairly soon. And all the courts will still see the lawsuits from Donald Trump. Everybody's going to sue, not just one case. Everybody's going to sue now. But now everyone must sue and everyone must win to get something out of this in the future. As I said, DJT, all thumbs up today, winning this week. And we'll see what happens next week. Oh, the stock market, record highs in S&P, record highs in the NASDAQ. Everything's up. Trump winning.